Everybody, we're at a different pond today, different little area. Got the rig like always, got the boat already in the water, but there's a pond right there. I've actually been stalking this pond for about 2 weeks now, so we fished a couple times, we've caught some, but hopefully we can get on some good ones today. I'll see you guys here in a minute. Alright guys, I'm actually fishing a T-rig with a band eater bug and black and blue, of course. I don't think you guys can see that, but we're just gonna fish it kind of slow and hop it every now and then. Hopefully we can get one like that. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's a good one. Oh yeah, that's a really good one. That's been the best one out of here by far. Woo! Oh, come here, guy. Come here. Oh yeah, that's a good one right there, guys. That's a good one. Goodness. That might be a 3. High 2s maybe. That is a good one. Right in the top of the mouth. There we go. Got it unhooked. We're actually gonna get a weight on this girl. That's a decent one. That's been the biggest one to come out of here by far this year since I've stalked it. $3.6, guys. It's almost 3.5. Not bad. Yeah, that's by far the best fish that we've caught out of here this year. But let's get her back. Whew. Crazy. See you, girl. All right, number 1, guys. It was a freaking 3-pounder. That's a great way to start off the day. Just absolutely crushed the black and blue. Doesn't get any better than that right there. Might just have to go back up in there. I didn't even get to cast it hardly in front of any trees. I just cast it out there. I let it fall, pulled it up twice, felt that it was heavy on the second pull, and just set the hook and she was on. Oh, come on, there we go. Absolutely crushed the band eater bug. Which is crazy to think that was usually my sweet spot while I'm bank fishing. First time I came, I caught 2 right here. First ever 2 that I caught since I stocked it. And then the last time I came right here, caught, I want to say 5 over here. So I caught 5 in this spot last time I came. And my dad caught, I don't know, 2 or 3 right here. So this is where they've been hanging out at, is back in the shallower stuff. So maybe they're back here today. Because it was only several days ago that we fished, so I don't know if they're going to be biting or not. Goodness, thought we had one. where I've been catching them. I caught 2 off this tree last time, so let's see if one of them's there. Oh, we got them. He's got it. Yep, right on the tree. Another good one. Oh yeah, another decent sized one out of here. Right in the top of the mouth again. They are just crunching on it. Popped her out. I don't know if we want to get away on this guy. We'll go and get a weight. Ain't gonna hurt. Just see how much bigger that last one was compared to this one. Because that last one was definitely bigger, but I don't think it was by very much. By 7 ounces bigger, so yeah. This one's got a little bit bigger of a belly, but another good fish. Get back in the water. This water's really, really warm, which it has been, but extremely warm. Good springtime conditions today. It's actually fixing to rain, so I'm trying to come and piece this together as I go, for I won't be able to fish for another 3 days, so it's always fun. Get out of this little cove. So again, I've been fishing it slow. Give it about 2 hops each time, then let it sink back down. Ate it on the second hop, got it right in the top of the mouth. Another nice one. I'm gonna say there's one right up in that opening. We're actually about to fish that opening. As soon as I reel this back in and get one more cast right out here. Alright, we're gonna turn the boat a little bit before we can get back up in here. Try to flip up in there, and hopefully we'll catch another one. Oh, we got one. Oh no! If we did have one, then I just pulled it away from it, but it felt heavy, so let's get back in there. Yep, we got one. Yep. Smaller one, smallest of the day, but not a bad one. I called it too. I figured someone's gonna be back up in here. Oh, he's barely, no, he's a pretty good. He's a pretty good. Yeah, got him pretty good. He wanted it, he came back for it twice. Another decent sized one. It's probably about maybe a 2-pounder, but let's get him back in. See you, guy. That's number 3 for today. So we're doing pretty good. We've been out here for about 20 minutes now. So we're doing pretty good. I actually haven't had him eat the Texas rig like this since I've been fishing in this place. So that's another good sign. They're starting to eat the crawl. Just actually hooked up with another fish, and I just started burning it in to make a cast back there, and the fish just came out of the water for it. Absolutely insane. Definitely the smallest of the day. Way smaller than the last guy, but goodness. I mean, that was insane. He must have been hungry. But that's number 4 for the day. I figured I'd show y'all. Didn't want to cut the video off like that, but yeah. Number 4, smallest of the day. Gave a pretty good fight for being how small he is. I wonder if he's a spot. Yep, he's a spot. He's got a little sandy patch on his mouth part. I don't even know. But beautiful fish. Let's get him back in the water. Went and got the surprise out of the other pond. Just brought the fuller back. I already went and unhooked from the boat, so let's get these little bait fish out. Maybe we'll see a bass come up and eat them. I don't know yet, but let's get these little guys out. We only got 5 in there, so. Oh, there were 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that little part of the video. That was just for fun, but I will actually see you guys in the next one. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, tell me how I'm doing on the videos, and go hit the post notification bell to all posts so you're notified when I post my videos. But I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.